Hi everyone. So before I start this recipe with you, I really want to tell you that this is not my recipe. This is a recipe from JP, and he owns 2 restaurants here in San Diego. It's called Peace Pies, and it's one of my favorite raw food restaurants. I go there quite a bit. And so if you ever are in the neighborhood of San Diego, I highly recommend you check out Peace Pies. So this is his cookbook, and this is JP right here. Super cool guy, and this is the recipe that I'm sharing with you today. It is the Karmic kale salad. And I did ask him if it would be okay if I share his recipes on my channel, and he said absolutely. And so if you ever see the title start out with Peace Pies, that means the recipe came from his book. So anyways, I just wanted to really quickly share that with you because I like to give credit where credit is due. I hope you enjoy this salad. It is one of my favorite salads, and he's got so many great recipes in here. I am so excited to share some of them with you. So anyways, I hope you all have a very wonderful, blessed day, and I hope you enjoy this awesome salad. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.